Yo, what's up, man? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. Yes, here we go again, guys. For today's video, we were going to react another Manipur rap music. Yes, rap music, guys, and it was performed by one of the famous rapper there in Manipur, Yelhomie, aka Blademist. And the title of this rap music, guys, is the MANIFACE. Alright, and of course, he's the one who uploaded this rap music, and the one who request this rap music is Thai-Fi. Alright, so before we start, guys, make sure that you are subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for more latest updates to my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. The MANIFACE. Ooh, what an intro, guys.
Greetings from 795 구름 저리 나쁜 넌 바라는 playlist the onset of my journey. To all the rappers speaking pen and I'll be learning. I'm coming in hot like 46 bikini for the bunnies. My rhymes as a tail, we take a beat and that's a daddy. I'm way too humble, I'm losing myself like Jimi Hendrix. But part of me, a part of me feels like I'm a prodigy. You probably be claiming to be the best, but you ain't an artist. Yo, rappers vegetarians, I never had a beef. Same as a case as mine, but I'ma feed on some of these weak MCs on weak bases with bleak tastes. Put me on the scope, pussy boy, I don't sweat no these. Boy, I'm productive like a semen if you're 20 plus. I point the clutch, this the thing that's all you never touch. I'm way too independent, never call me Cosme. You don't wanna fuck with the novel whose bars are cosmic. I mean, the farther you get, the harder you diss. But better put the shield on and not the Blademist take. I'm in my bag with some petty bars, skiddy. Baby, don't you risk it. And yo,
just like
rappers weak like girls, that's when you're OG. And my shit and love people referring to give me blows. Then probably this boy get you right in some bars. Then the next day you forget about it, you lay short like a fart. Proportionate your vanity to your success. Talking about the rights, money or your pops, I'm not impressed. If you're rapping this tape, keep it hunting and calm. Tarnish shit and I'ma beat you like this meaning my palm. We both to your hip-hop, bop, kabak. Boy, me with a pocket full of dreams and a little bit of poetry. Now, feel like I'm hungry, sometimes I feel like I'm male tourist. When it comes to rap, never leaving a bean on your plate. Well, I'm nothing compared to my next version. Yesterday's lesson on done, today a better person. And I believe in hip-hop, I believe in God. But I'm 6 rappers that got enough food in their mouth. Man, you struggling, that's why I give respect to divine. Cause the blood speak a genie, the ghost and the real face of any your rap. Man, brother B have been in my quest. I'm a finna load the beats, I take critiques and load my clip to shoot pussy rappers in and all my big dick shots on flick. Nobody's there to give me guidance like I'm for you. And if you talk your bag, take the fire and say come my crew. Let me keep it straight, let me put it right. Somehow y'all waiting for your names to pop up on these lines. Either you inconsistent or somebody I forgotten. But Looney Tunes and kids can't even treat it right. I'm not in your top 10, top 20. Or your beat is fair bread, man, I'm just in the making. To be the next agent in Rock Nation or Dreamville, but 25 comes the aggravation. Yo, blinded by this mainstream, the throne in this place. But guessing these are pretty heavy, dropping 4 weeks late. And tell me who's the greatest, man, you can take forever. This ain't me and my knowledge, but tell me who's better. Looking at the money, looking at the money face, how you feel about it? Looking at the money, looking at the money face, boy, tell me how you feel about it. Yo, Hollywood, I'm coming in hot, yo.
Wow.
I'm coming in hot. Info represent 795, boy.
Oh, trash. Oh my god. That was very excellent performance, bro. Blademist. This is very incredible, very mega power performance that you performed today. Wow, the good things here, bro. You're making English lyrics with your rap music. Because, you know, some of our listener and viewers, they love English lyrics. So, that was a very, very amazing performance. Wow, I'm so happy and I'm so enjoying with your performance today. The MANIFACE. Alright? So, keep it up, bro, and God bless. So, guys, I hope you enjoy, yes, you enjoy this music or this rap music, because I'm so enjoying the performance of our famous rapper from Manipur, Yelhomie, aka Blademist. Wow, congratulations, bro. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Our reaction video. If you like and if you enjoy this reaction video, guys, please give this a lot of thumbs up, and don't forget to like and share to your friends and families. Alright, so for those new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So until the next reaction video, guys, see you there, and I love you all. God bless you all. Bye!